This group of birds has been so interesting. They split off and rejoin. They do this every night this time of year. And they've been at it tonight at least 20 minutes that we've noticed. Kind of mesmerizing to watch.